The first step in the rice bran oil extraction process is cleaning. The rice bran undergoes thorough cleaning to remove impurities such as husk particles and dust. This ensures that the final oil product is pure and free from contaminants. Following cleaning, the rice bran is subjected to a conditioning process where it is heated to stabilize its enzymes and prevent rancidity. This step is crucial as fresh rice bran contains lipase. Next, the conditioned rice bran is fed into screw presses or expellers, where mechanical pressure is applied to squeeze out the oil. These machines are designed to handle the unique characteristics of rice bran, ensuring optimal oil yield without damaging the valuable components. The expelled oil is then collected and sent for further refining processes, including degumming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization. The remaining solid material after pressing, known as rice bran cake, is often used as animal feed due to its high nutritional value. Throughout this process, the equipment must operate efficiently to minimize energy consumption and maximize output. Understanding the principles behind each stage allows for continuous improvement in the technology and methods used.